Hi sweethearts, hi my darlings, hi besties. I am going to show you today how you can achieve this beautiful multi-purpose crochet that looks totally like your own hair, totally like a very like a good beautiful lace wig. So let us get started. You can use any hair of your choice as long as the texture is more kinkish but more softish. Just choose any hair that you think will fit for this hairstyle. I'm using this, is called Tiki Curls from Darling Hair. So I separated my crocheted hair like that, and I have my hair all the way to the back, just cornrows. I have 12 lines, and then I'm going to start by doing the crochet at the back. When I'm tying my knots, I use one strand, one side of the braiding hair like that, and then I just tie my knot, and then I make sure that the knot that I tied stays in between the braids, and so that you don't see all the bad stuff. So I'm inserting the needle, the crochet needle, and pulling my crochet hair, and then I take one side of the crochet hair into the loop, and then I pull it back to the loop again just to make the knot secure, and pull it to make the knot stay in between my braid. I'm gonna do it surrounding my head like that. So I will repeat the same process until I finish on the left side, the right side, and at the back. So when I reach the front part, what I do, I cut the hair into two so that I have a shorter piece in front like that, and I use the same method, just that short piece. The last strand of hair you put should be short like that, and then when you tie a knot, use one strand of the crocheted hair to tie a knot so that it's invisible like that. The knot becomes invisible. On the other side, make sure you place the needle going downwards like that, and then I'm gonna do it. I'm done with the sides and the back. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to attach the crocheted hair there, as you can see, but here I'm just going to go randomly, and I'm not going to put the crocheted hair close to each other, and I am just gonna tie one loop as I go so that it's easy to take them down later, or you can do two if you want to stay with the hair for a long time. But mine, I normally change my hairstyles every week because of the nature of my work. So that's what I do. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I wanted to speak Swedish. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So on the parting side, where I want my part there in the middle, I make sure I do this. The needle goes to the side of the part, and then when I tie my knot, I make sure I use one strand of the hair to tie the knot, just like the way I did at the back. So I have my parting side with individual or illusion crochet, and then on the sides the same way. So it's going to be seamless and just sort of like illusion kind of crochet, but the main purpose is to make the crochet hair look super natural and to be multi-purpose, versatile. I can say that you can do many styles with this hair, and it will be like it's growing from your hair. I'm so proud of how this turned out. It actually turned out to be so beautiful, even though I used a colorful hair. I didn't know it would turn out to look so natural, but yeah, I thought only with the black hair, that's when it will look natural. So make sure you insert the crochet hair till the front part of the hair of your braid. So I'm gonna use that comb, a smaller comb, and then I'm going to tease the hair. I'm gonna comb the hair like that, the braiding hair going downwards. I'm combing them downwards like that, as you can see me doing. I'm teasing them. Don't use a heavy hand, just lightly. You insert the comb in between the braiding hair, the crocheted hair, and then you comb downwards, and then you use your fingers just to pull them down. That way it will cover all the knots, it will cover all the knots. The way it will just make it look very natural and realistic, and that's what you want. You don't want to have crocheted hair looking like, oh my god, she's tied knots and not just did a crochet. Let it look like a crochet. Let it look natural. Pardon my English is not perfect, but hey, I love you guys, and thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Let's grow together. Thank you so much for you who have taken time to subscribe to my channel. You've taken time to just join this family, to trust me, and to watch my videos. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So comment down below, where are you watching from and what do you like most about this style? Will you try? Follow me on Instagram. I go by the name VivianaTZ.official. Please follow me there. So I'm still teasing the hair. That's how it looks. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I'm sorry I'm bragging, but yeah, it looks amazing. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so that's me still teasing the hair like that. So I tease, comb back downwards. I comb them downwards, then I trim so that they're not so long and look like mustache. No, we want them to look natural. We want them to look natural, sis. Naturale, sis. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing everywhere where I want the hair to look natural, I just tease it. You can tease the whole head and still your hair will look amazing, or you can tease just surrounding on the sides, back, front. Yeah, but I teased that side. I also teased at the parting area so that we have this natural kind of look even when I'm parting my hair, when I'm wearing my hair down. So it looks really, really natural and amazing. It's so amazing when you can have your hair both ways, up and you just let it down and you part it, or you can do any other style. It just feels so good. It feels like you have your own hair. I know the struggle when you have a weave or crochet hair and you can't do all this. So then I'm trimming just the hair and I just want it to be in a good shape. So here I am teasing the parting side. You can see I'm parting the hair like that, and then I'll tease at the back, the front, and on the left, on the right. There, me teasing in the front now, and then I will go the front side and the back side. So I do that, and then this helps with fluffing the hair too. So this is my final product, guys. Don't I just look, oh my god, like that blondie kind of Barbie, black blondie Barbie? Don't I just look like that? I am sorry, I am in a chatterboxing mode today. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe and press that bell button. I love you. I'll see you in the next. Bye.